This room rarely gets the fanfare that it truly deserves. It is the broadcast production and master control room here at the Ontario Legislative Building. It is essentially the endpoint before the video signal is shared with viewers on TV and on various digital platforms. Every moment of every day that the House is in session is captured and recorded here. Hello, I'm Anwar Knight. Coming up, an exclusive and fascinating behind-the-scenes look at the Broadcast and Recording Services branch here at the Legislative Assembly of Ontario.
Honourable members, you have elected Donna Skelly, member for Pembroke.
Ontario MPPs have elected the first female Speaker of the Legislative Assembly. It is provincial history in the making, and while there are select members of the media present to cover it, there is only one official Legislative Assembly of Ontario broadcaster.
The broadcast team is the window to democracy. No matter where you are, on your phone, on the app, on your computer, on your television, you're here, you're seeing what your representatives are doing.
The broadcast and recording branch of the LAO includes broadcast technicians and multi-position broadcast specialists who are ready to produce and capture the province's day-to-day legislative business.
Being kind of a jack of all trades, you can be doing the House in the morning, you're in committees in the afternoon, you're doing a press conference later that day.
Team members help facilitate 5 different broadcast venues, including the chamber, 3 committee rooms, and the media studio, where press conferences are held. Together, they provide all the information required to prepare an official record that is accessible to every resident of Ontario. A part of the process requires significant collaboration with a number of LAO branches, but the most crucial is with the clerk, who provides an order paper or agenda, which is also available to the public. It tables everything scheduled, from what votes are on the agenda to what bills will be discussed, and so much more. This helps the BRS team prepare required production elements.
Because our team has to prepare all the graphics and all the elements, including English and French translation of this information. You're going to see the crawl at the bottom of the screen explaining what are they talking about right now.
It is, however, still a live production crew, meaning they are ready to adapt on the fly.
There's always a pressure of anything can happen. It's live TV, right? There's no do-overs.
Things change. Committees pop up. Whenever the House or business is happening, our team is there.
A team you rarely will ever see, but their work plays a vital role in connecting the public to the heart of our provincial government.
You are getting a mix of people who are in the control room. They're touching all these buttons, but then on the ground, you also have a bunch of us who are running the gimbal. You have people on 3 separate cameras being able to kind of go to places that, the outside media can't necessarily get to.
There are 7 HD remote cameras situated in the House, but the setup here in this legislature is unlike any other in Canada, with most of the cameras intentionally recessed and tucked away, gently blending in an unobtrusive way. Including this one, a micro camera fitted with a specialized lens, neatly concealed and strategically placed so it can capture the moment the mace is placed into and out of position. The cameras are just one of a list of hardware elements that must be maintained to ensure they are operating properly at all times. There are also microphones, lots of them, well over 140 in fact.
Each desk has a designated number, and that goes into the program, and it goes into the touch screen where we switch microphones on and off. It also goes into the tactile console. At the same time, we have cameras that swing within seconds.
Keith Fernandez is one of 5 broadcast technicians whose passion is infectious.
I like to fix stuff.
In between the electronic repairs, Keith joins other team members and heads out on location, setting up a remote broadcast feed to deliver coverage of committee meetings and ridings across the province.
Dryden, Moosini, Kenora, Timmins. We take the equipment with us on the road, set it up, test it, and broadcast the next day.
This is another vital component of the BRS team.
Accountability and transparency is a very integral part of the job here.
While elected officials may change and policies or laws may shift or evolve, one thing remains constant.
All right, great job, everyone.
A dedicated broadcast and recording team, always standing by to capture every moment and ensure the work of Parliament is seen, heard, and preserved.
When you're with a good team, right, you work together, you accomplish something. You can't do that alone. It's a team effort.
For the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, I'm Anwar Knight.